Down by Peter Pollen Park the other day, the harbor was humming like it had somewhere to be. Sunshine danced on the waves, but the wind had a bit too much coffee. I stopped, stood still, partly in awe, partly to keep my hat on. Seaplanes waltzed while ferries zigzagged like caffeinated ducklings with tiny engines. This city, my hometown, it wins me over again with scenes like this. Salt, air, sea sparkle, and seaplanes doing ballet. Where else can organized chaos look this charming? It's like the sea itself runs on island time with just a dash of drama. If this harbor makes you smile too, give this video a like and stay tuned for more quiet moments from the coast. And as always, try and stay tranquil.